Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. So, class 6, your chapter number 6, name is Giving Life to the Presentation. So, today we are going to start a new chapter, students. Your new chapter name is Giving Life to the Presentation. So, in the last chapter, to relate it in your presentation, PowerPoint Advanced Feature. So in your chapter number 5, we already discussed about this. Features of advanced features of PowerPoint. Now your new chapter name is Giving Life to the Presentation. So in this chapter today, we will study about of a presentation, how to add animation to the presentation and types of animation effects in PowerPoint. So let's start this your today's topic, student. First of all, we will start and discuss about this introduction part. Okay, class 6. So startingly we will see discuss about adding animation to the presentation. So student, an animation is a visual effect added to the objects on a slide, including text, pictures, shapes, and so on. So or to the slide as a whole. So adding animation to a presentation offers the following benefits. So it's a different benefits in our daily life to use a presentation in your daily life. So firstly is that it provides visual interest to grab the audience attention. Second benefit is it can reveal points on the slides in a staggered manner, so one point at a time, and to keep the audience focused only on the point we are discussing at the given time. Then third benefit is the presentation can be automated so that it runs on its own. Okay. So basically this is a custom animation. Okay. So in this custom animation deals with putting your bullet points up on the screen one at a time, and how they enter, they can just appear flying from the slide or bottom, etc. So they don't necessarily add to the content of the presentation, but rather simply make the presentation a little more interesting to view, so thus better keeping the attention of your audience. So say student class, so this is a PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so you can see here is the home, insert tab, home tab, design, animation. So this is a part of a animation. Okay, you can see this is a normal animation you can apply. It's a transition to the slides. Okay, you can see. So this is a transition to this slide animation part. Then next thing is a custom animation. We talk about this part of a custom animation. Just click this option and see and check it properly. So this is a custom animation option. Okay, so you can first of all click this slide, any slide you can choose properly. After it will apply the add effect. Okay, so this is a add effect, just click it, add effect. In this option you can see a custom animation entrance. Okay, so types of animation effects in PowerPoint. Okay, we call properly, this is a firstly types of animation effects in PowerPoint. So first you can see entrance. Okay, entrance. So this effects in this category define how the object would appear on the slide. Okay, it means. Then second is a M-hazards. M-hazards means these effects help to highlight an object during the slideshow in order to draw the audience attention. Clear, students? Next you can see a exit. Exit means these effects define how the object would leave the slide. Okay, fine. Okay, now next you can see a student last is a motion paths. Okay, motion paths. So these effects allow the object to move along a user defined paths. Okay. So class motion paths means these effects allows the object to move along a user defined path. So this is a basically parts different types of animation effects in PowerPoint we use in our daily life in your presentation PPT. So first is the entrance. You can see entrance in the subpart, also blinds, box, check box, diamond, fly, wedge. Okay, next second thing it has is in the subparts are change font size, change font style, grow, shrink and spin. Okay, and more effects. You can choose and more effect apply in your presentation PPT. Clear? Then sixth class, next you can see exit. Exit in the subpart name is a blind, box, check box, diamond, fly out and more effect also. The last one is a motion path. So in this motion path, bounce right, you can see a bounce right, diagonal down right, diagonal up right, down left, right. Okay, clear? So all are option in here in this motion, left, right, up, draw, custom path, mode, motion path. Clear, student? You can see basically this is a PPT for related MS Word concept. You can see properly. Okay. So this is a slide, different types of slides about a like example of a PPT. So students just go through and read this topic and apply all these features in your PPT PowerPoint. So class 6, your today's homework is read topic of PowerPoint and do practice of effects in PowerPoint. Okay, class 6.